Right, class. As you can see, we spoke about the project management knowledge areas. There are 9 knowledge areas in project management. There are 5 project management processes. And outside of the 5 project management processes, we have 42 sub-processes. Right, so let us have a look at the 9 knowledge areas. You can have a very clear look here. You'll see there's our stakeholders, which is the people who are affected by the outcome of the project, and the people who are negatively or positively affected by the outcome of the project. And these stakeholders have needs and expectations. And the needs and expectations is what the project manager and the project must satisfy. So have a look at what comes in between project. Here's the outcome of the project, which is project success. And inside here, you have your 9 knowledge areas. One area being scope, the other one being time, the other one cost, the other one quality, which is the core processes of project management. And here you have the facilitating processes, which are HR, which is human resource management, communication management, risk management, and procurement management. And all of this knowledge areas, the 8 of them, are then integrated into another knowledge area called integration management, and that together works as a system together. Earlier on in the lecture, we explained that project management is the systems approach to management, system engineering, where components work together and are interrelated for a common goal. And this is what happens. And there you get your project. And obviously, that comes there is your tools and techniques, which is your methodology, your skill, your knowledge, your application, and also your software that you use to plan your project and to execute your project and to monitor the progress. So what do we mean by this knowledge areas? The scope refers to the what. What must be done? The scope. In other words, how you need to go about what you need to do. Right, so that's the scope. If you look at the time is the when. When must it be done? What is the start date? What is the end date? Also, how long? Because the time determines the duration of the project. Like we said earlier on, we said operations are ongoing. When the operational objective has been met, it will continue. But when the project objective has been met, it will cut off and it will terminate. So the cost, we refer to the budget, we refer to the estimate, to the budget, and we refer to the controlling of the cost within that budgetary constraint. So the budget determines and becomes the baseline for the project cost. And there you have quality management. Quality refers to the quality assurance procedures, the quality control procedures to ensure that the project comply with the parent organization quality policy, and also to ensure that the deliverables are of quality standard. On the facilitating process, we talk about human resource management. Human resource management refers to the people involved in the project, the necessary skills that they have, the different teams, the project management team and the core team. And it refers to the roles and responsibility of the project participants. If you look at communication management, which is actually the core, because communication management keeps the project alive, and communication management is there to ensure that the stakeholders are updated, are giving feedback, and reporting is being done on the project. Also, communication ensures visibility of the project. If you look at risk management is there to monitor and control the risk, to continuously identify the risk, and also to do a qualitative risk analysis, a quantitative risk analysis. In so doing, you can determine your probabilities and impact of the risk on your project. And in procurement management, obviously procurement, you cannot administer a project without a contract in place. Because when it comes to outsourcing, you will have to contractually go into agreement with people to come and do work for you from an outside organization, which we call the seller, and out we will be called the buyer. And there need to be a mutually agreement contractual document between the two parties. So procurement is to go out there, to go and identify a seller, to go and select a seller, and this will all be based on evaluation criteria, and then a procurement committee will come and approve it, and the outsourcing organization will then be contracted in to deliver the project. And if you look at integration management will tie up all of these knowledge areas to make sure that they all interlink into one, like a chain reaction all into one, to give you project success. Right?